Math learners, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling addition and subtraction of integers using one of the best visual tools out there, the number line. You have to remember the two rules when it comes to doing these kind of questions. Rule number one is start at the first number in the equation, then move on to the second question or the second rule, then the sign of the second number, which tells you the way to jump. And another way to figure that out is a plus sign means you jump towards the right, that means towards the positive numbers, and a minus sign meaning you have to jump to the left towards the negative numbers. We'll be using this interactive style worksheet to draw the jumps and figure out the answers. Ready to jump in? Remember the rules that we just talked about. Rule 1, you start at the first number of the equation. And then rule 2, the sign of the second number that tells you which way to jump. A plus meaning jump towards the right, meaning towards the positive numbers, and the minus sign meaning that you jump towards the left, towards the negative numbers. Now let's look at the first problem here. It's -5 plus 7. We start at the -5. The operation is plus 7, so we need to jump 7 jumps, or 7 units, to the right. So we have the number 5 here, or -5. So we're going to jump 7. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember to fill out the numbers, mean that you're going towards the positive numbers. So -4, -3, -2, -1, positive 1, 2. So that means you have the answer of positive 2. 7 jumps to the right and we land on 2. So that means -5 plus 7 is 2. Now let's try a subtraction problem. Now we have a positive 2. So now we have to go -5. So that means we're going backwards towards the left. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we fill in the numbers towards the negative numbers. So we have 1, 0, -1, -2, and -3. Since we landed on -3, our answer will be -3. Moving on to problem number 3, we have -2 plus 8. So we start with the -2, and since it is a positive number, we move 8 jumps, or 8 units, towards the right. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we have to fill in the numbers from -2 to all the way to the positive number that we land on. So it would be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now your answer should be 6. Let's go on to the next one. Now this is a very interesting one. It's -5 plus 5. Let's give this one a go. So we start at -5 here and we move 5 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to fill in the blanks. So it would be -4, -3, -2, -1, and it's 0. So that means we have -5 plus 5 equal to 0. We're doing great so far. Let's keep that momentum going. So we're on a slightly different one, but you probably would be familiar by now. So we're on a positive number here, which is 6. And we're going backwards by 7 because it's -7. And since it's a negative, we're going to the left. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And since we're going to the left, that means we're going towards the negative. So let's fill that out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And it should be 6. Take away 7 gives you -1. We're doing great. So let's go on to problem 6. So we're at 1. And since -5 or -5 is negative, we're going backwards 5. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's fill that in. Remember, left is negative. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So 1 take away 5 gives you -4. Now this is slightly interesting. Notice that we have two negative numbers, two separate negative numbers. So let's see how we do this. So we start at -3 and we go 3 to the left since it's a negative. So let's do this together. So we count 1, 2, 3. Let's fill in the numbers between the -3 and the other numbers. Let's fill those out. So it's -4, -5, -6. So you have received the answer of -6 for this one. So we're on 3 and -8. Remember the rule? If it's a negative number, we go towards the left because it's a negative number. So we'll have to count 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's fill those numbers out. 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and we land on -5. So your answer should be -5. So we'll do these two together, and these are the final two. So we're on 5 take away 9, and remember, if it's a negative number, we move to the left. So let's count 9 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see how many numbers or what number we land on after doing 9 jumps. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. So 5 take away 9 gives you -4. Now let's do the last one. So this is quite a long one. And remember to always start at the first number, which is -4. And remember, if it's a plus, you go to the right. And minus means you go to the left. So we start on -4 and we count 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's fill in the blanks of the 10 jumps that we did. It's 3, 2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -4 plus 10 gets you 6. So now that we have solved all these 10 questions, I hope you can get to do some of these on your own. So there are some more questions like this, and the first one's been done for you, and you have a couple more, and obviously these are quite similar, if not the same, of the previous ones, but you know, it's good to practice. Let me know the answers in the comments that you got, and if you found that this video helped you understand intro problems, hit that like button and subscribe for more maths tutorials. See you in the next one.